I would say it was more like he found me than I find him. I used to believe in other faith, and then I left that faith. I was not believing God at all. If you will see me years ago, I would look like a really happy person, but I was not. I was really just a fake person, I would say. And it was through TikTok, actually. Somali Christian. I really become happy, so I just wrote to them. And from there, we come in contact to each other, and that person started to tell me what's Christian and how that person become Christian, everything. First I was Christianity, la. But then I was I know every religion is the same. And the person was oh my, go pray about it. And I did that night. I prayed to him, and then he did a miracle. But then I started to ask myself, which God? Are you Jesus or something else? I would say he showed me in his way that he's really Jesus. But then I saw more how he changed my life. He really lightened up my heart to forgive people and love people and be a true person. Jesus for me is like a friend. Just can talk with him every time I want. Also, he's my savior. And why we need to be bad types, how I understand it is when we surrender ourselves to God, an old person dies and we become a newborn Christian, like a baby. It was 2 times that I could never stop smiling. One of them was my bad types, and the other one, it was my first time to go to a church. Yeah, those 2 was the happiest day.